So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. Web design series HTML 11th video table tag. So table tag is nothing but is used to create a table. So in the web page, I want a table to be created. In that case, I need a table tag, and every data will be in the format of table rows, and the data will be in the format of table data. So a table can have a table header, so that is a separate row, and afterwards every table data in separate rows. That is how your table tag is formed. And a table can have a caption in the top. And apart from that, you may ask me a question, sir, your web page is classified into 3 areas like a head, maybe body and footer. Can I club these heading tags in the top, and I can have the content tag or table data in the center, in the body area, and I can have a footer tag, can I have a caption or something like that? So such kind of things can be achieved or not? Yes, it's possible. So we will be having 3 major tags to group it, kind of a semantic. The one is T head, T body and T footer. So over here to my website, let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment. This is my table tag. This is my table tag. Over here, like you can see it here, like my table tag, you got some styles on the table tag, so just forget it. Maybe in future we'll talk about the styles. You got the table tag with this 100%. I got the table row, the top, first name, last name and everything. You got it here, which is default by bold, and you got your data here. So you got your table data, which is shown over here. I can show you like a typical coding here. I got a table / table. You got the border. So the border is size of 1. You got the table row, the first row with the header. So first name, last name, TH. And you got the second row with the data, table data. Over here you will be getting this kind of output. So this is the one thing I want to show you. And here is the caption. I'll open my table header and table row here. Okay, so caption in the sense, I need some heading for the table, sir. Yes, it is possible with the caption tag. So over here, the table tag is placed in the body tags. So I got the table and caption wiki techie website. The table rows with the table header, table rows with the table data. I got the caption over here like this. I got the caption like this. Okay, you can see the caption over here like this. As I told you, TH indicates table header. And the table data, TR indicates a table row. A table row. You can use this try it button to try this particular piece of code. Yes, you can try it over here. By clicking this execute button, you can try it. So whatever things you want, you can try it and check it out here. Okay. Now, over here, we need to talk about your table data, TD. So as I told you, TD will specify or will give the data. Okay, so table data, over here everything is table data in the table. And as I told you, the entire table can be classified or grouped semantically into table head, table body and table footer. So head, body, footer. So table head, like you are able to see it here, I got my HTML. Over here I got my HTML. I got the body tag / body. I'm going to give the table with a border is equal to 1. My table header is there. I can place it in T header. So T head, TR, table data. So TH, table header, wiki techie. Now I got my table row with the is placed in the T body, and you got the T foot where TR is there. You got the table header. So you are able to see the output like this. T head, T body and T foot. That is how your T body is here and you got your T foot. So you just go there and get the syntax and everything and you got a lot of information over here with a lot of properties, whether you want the alignment in left or right, center, and V align, vertical alignment, whether it's the characters, numbers, you can specify everything. This is how your table tag is. Just go to my website and start learning on it.